This is what we did it, right? So we did this program last time, and we turn it on, and it basically turned the light on and off. This is what we did, and you can see the code on my screen. And now we're going to change this code by just putting this button in there. So what we want to do is we want to control these lights using this button. So if you look at the button, it's got a GND on this side, and then VCC on one side, and the middle is out. So which means that one pin is GND, one is VCC, and one is out. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it straight here like this, right? And we're going to just use GND pin for GND, okay, and VCC for the VCC. So this one is basically, if you look at it, this is GND, right? So GND, we're going to put a pin here, GND pin, and here we're going to put the VCC pin like this, and the middle one would be the output pin. So I'm going to put all three pins there like this simply, and the VCC is going to go on to VCC, which is the first one here, right? This one, okay, and GND is the third from the first one here. There we go. And we're going to use pin 16 for out, right? If you look at it, this is pin 16 and 1. If I want to show you on this one here, so this is if I look at this, let me put my pointer on. Here you go. Okay, so if this is my VCC, right, this one, and this is GND I'm using, right? If you look at it, this is red is VCC here, this is GND, and I'm using pin 16, GP16 here, the last one. As you see, the yellow one is on the last one. So that's why I'm going to, when I change the programming code, it will be very simple, straightforward. I will be just putting here, first I need to get here button value. Button is equal to, that would be pin, okay, and that's 16, right? 16 comma, and this out, pin dot out, right? That's where I'm going to get my output for my button. When I press it 1, the value would be 1, and then I need to obviously pick up its value. So if button dot value is equal to 1, right here, then I just want my lights to be on. So I'm going to push this under the if condition, and I'm going to push put here else lights off, and I'm going to push this here. So this is the whole code I need to change. If you look at it, I added this new line here, right, this one, and I basically put a button there, condition, right, if button is 1. So I pick up the button value. When I'm holding this button like this, the value would be 1, okay. When I'm releasing it, value would be 0. So if value is 1, as you see here, this one, then simply turn the lights on as off. So I remove the weight from there. So if yes, I'm in the class, and class just finished, but it's okay, I can continue. Here we go. So now it's see the RGB LED is green, right? So when I press the button right here, I'm going to press the button. Here we go. It's red, then green, then red, then green, then red. Okay. So or I could do, for explanation purposes, I could turn all the on with the when button is pressed, and all off when button is not pressed. So I run this again here. See, all is off, and now the moment I'm going to press the button, you see here, button is being pressed. I'm going to press the button. There you go. All red, on, all off, all on, all off. So this is how you can basically program the button. I hope you like the video. Keep watching, because we're going to go on to our next program where we're going to add a small buzzer to it. So in the next video, I'll show you how we can add a buzzer to this one that would obviously make sound. And then we can improvise our program step by step. It's important that you watch all the videos in the same sequence as they are being recorded. Thank you.